I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure required software is ready. Install Python 3.8 or later in Git, then confirm both run from your terminal. Once done, prepare a clean game dump or Bcml game folder and back up any files. You do not want to overwrite originals. Next, create a dedicated working folder and note its path. These steps minimize setup errors and let you run commands without path confusion, so proceed only when both Python and Git respond correctly. Now install Bcml and connect it to your game files. Use Python mpip install Bcml user or clone the GitHub repo and run setup. You choose based on comfort. After installation, run Bcml version to confirm success. If the command is missing, adjust your path or use the Python Bcml form. Then import your game dump with Bcml import and create a modded profile with Bcml create, specifying target and output directories. This links Bcml to the exact folders it needs to manage mods. Finish by installing and applying mods, then testing the build. Use Bcml install with your chosen mod pack and run Bcml apply to generate the modded output. Make sure you launch the correct output in Bcml or your target emulator and verify textures, sounds, and scripts. If things go wrong, enable verbose debugging with Bcml debug and inspect the logs. Common issues are wrong paths or missing dependencies. If corruption occurs, restore your backup and correct the path or reinstall the specific problematic mod before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.